Michael Keaton's back as Batman in the new Flash movie. So let's draw him. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So, real nostalgia, this one. 1989, the first Batman film came out. I was like, let's go. He looks cool. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Center point of my page is about here. So we just come up over to the right. Yeah, so we start sort of here, right? And this like curves around his eye. So we go like up this way, right? And this like curves down like so. And then it goes around and back up into the frown, pretty close to it anyway, curves around here. We do the same thing on this side, so it comes down, around, like so, then comes down the eye, and back underneath. So we got this, it's like a big gap just in the mask. Around like that, right? So it's a different sort of style Batman than what we're used to. So then his eyes are in under here, right? So just like coming down from here, we curve it around. And then it goes up this way, right? And you can maybe see a little bit of his tear duct in here, but not much. So his iris and his pupils are just like comes down, curves down the sides there. And then the pupil just here in the middle, like so. And then we have some sort of eyelashes maybe there, because you can still see his skin, right? So you can see some like eyelashes kind of sticking off the bottom, and he's kind of wrinkly. Right, some skin in there. We do the same thing over the other side. So we just go sort of down here, and then bring it around, and just up into the corner, real small eyes. And then the iris and the pupil. So we go again real big. Bracket sort of line there. And then here. Right, and then his pupil in the middle. Like so. Try and keep them the same size. Right, and then eyelashes again, dashes and stuff just on the bottom, and then the bags underneath his eye, because he is an older gentleman in underneath that mask. Okay, so we have a little bump that comes across the middle, right? So like this line comes across here. And then the nose comes out the sides of the nose, right? Come out from there. So it like comes out diagonally just here. It's an unusual sort of nose that he has, but we'll carve it this way. And then it like tips along here at the front. Okay, and then we could have some like lines just coming down the sides there as well. Right, so then we have another frown line just on the top of his head here. This comes out, and then it comes down the side, and then connects to where his mouth is, sort of here. So we go again up, around the back, down to there. And then this goes into the side of his nose, like so. Then his mouth, so we got a sort of another line that goes back this way, like so. And then these, his mouth comes down. The opening for his chin, right, comes down around, and it like hugs his chin, like it's like stuck real close to his chin. Right, like so. And then we have like an inside and an outside, so like an edge that comes down around these. Like so. Right, and then his mouth in here. So he's got like, he's a real puckered sort of lips and stuff, right? So say like the center. So we'll start the center of the mouth. So the center of that lip, just a little V there. And then it comes down. Like so, on that side. It kind of looks like he's smiling a little bit. There. Right, and then the top lip just comes up around. Down like that. And then the bottom lip. Like so. And then we have some like lines coming down from the side of his nose. We have some chin sort of area here as well. Small mouth. Like some chin lines just coming up here. Maybe that's line that they have on their lip. Right. So then we'll go up and do the ears now. So we'll go around his side of his head, right? And this goes up real pointy then. All the way up to the top of my page pretty much. Right, so this comes up. Kind of like that. And then we'll bring it back down like so to there. And then his head just comes across the center like that. So the thing about this mask is it's real wide on the neck, right? So it like keeps going down this way. So it's like all one connected sort of thing. And then we have some more sort of heavy frown sort of lines inside here. And this corner joins the ears up here. And we have an extra sort of frowning area kind of here. other side of the line going that way. Okay, so for his jaw, you can't really see much. You can just see like lines that join the mask. Right, like that. And then we have another. Yeah, so it's just these kind of lines that come down. And then we have, looks like another line that comes down this way. Like so. Right, and then so his neck just like goes off this way around the back of his cape. So like off down here. Okay. And then the crest, so this rubber part of his mask goes into the crest down here. So we got like this oval like crest. Right, and then we got the bat symbol inside there. So we might as well draw it while we're here. So we got 2 ears, top of the head, and then this curves around both sides. And then we bring it down like so, and then down to there. And then we hook it back around, adding these spikes and one in the middle. Like so. Do 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 do. And it's all yellow. And black in there. So this comes, the cape sort of part, right, comes out. We've got this rubber, like a rubber spike here, right, and it goes back and then joins the bit behind his back over here. Same on this. So there, say. Around back behind his shoulder over here. And then these have lines that come down from his neck. And then go around here. And then there is extra lines. So some more inside here. Something else going that way. Right. So the mask, I'm just fixing it up here, fixing the bottom of it. Okay, so that's roughly how the rubber joins his neck. I think there might be like an extra sort of line like that here. And then the cape comes out from here, right? So like scoots down this way, connects to these spikes, right? And out here as well. Roughly like that. And then we have some shoulder armor sort of here with an edge. It's like a shoulder pad. And then like some chest armor going down there. Right. But that's pretty much it. I'll just thicken up some of my edge lines now. Right, so maybe just like a light line for his jaw coming that way, maybe. Right, but I think that's it. That's how to draw Michael Keaton's Batman from The Flash 2023. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.